Bananas, they're everywhere. A humble common yellow fruit found in fruit bowls and grocery stores around the globe. Often we see them as just a simple, convenient snack. Maybe a quick source of potassium after a workout. But these unassuming fruits hold a surprising amount of hidden potential. They offer benefits that go far beyond just their well-known potassium content. Today, we're diving deep into 7 truly unexpected advantages of making bananas a regular part of your diet. You might be surprised at what this simple fruit can do for your health. Stick around to uncover these amazing benefits. And while you're here, make sure you're subscribed to Heal Tech for more insights into health, nutrition, and tech-powered wellness. Don't miss out on future information that could transform your well-being. Yes, let's peel back the layers on the incredible banana. Did you know that eating a banana can actually help lift your spirits? It's true. This fruit contains compounds that work with your brain chemistry. Bananas are a good source of tryptophan. This is an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin. Serotonin is often called the feel-good brain chemical. It plays a crucial role in regulating your mood and overall emotional state. Having adequate serotonin levels can contribute to feelings of happiness and well-being. It helps balance your internal emotional landscape. Bananas also contain vitamin B6. This vitamin is essential for many bodily functions, including the efficient conversion of tryptophan into serotonin. So, the vitamin B6 in bananas helps ensure that the tryptophan you consume is effectively used to produce that mood-boosting serotonin. It's a powerful combination. Reaching for a banana when you feel stressed or anxious can provide a natural, gentle uplift. It's a simple way to support your mental state through diet. Think of it as nature's own little antidepressant, conveniently packaged in its own peel. A quick, healthy way to give your brain a positive boost. It's a far cry from just being a source of energy. This mood-enhancing property is one of the truly unexpected gifts of the banana. Incorporating bananas into your daily routine could offer subtle but significant support for your emotional health. It's a delicious form of self-care. Our gut health is fundamental to overall wellness. Bananas play a surprisingly supportive role in keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. They are rich in dietary fiber, including types that act as prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are essential for proper digestion. They help break down food and absorb nutrients more effectively. A thriving population of good gut bacteria also contributes to a stronger immune system. Much of our immune defense is linked to gut health. Interestingly, the ripeness of a banana affects its benefits for the gut. Green or underripe bananas are particularly high in resistant starch. Resistant starch isn't fully digested in the small intestine. Instead, it travels to the large intestine where it ferments. This fermentation process feeds beneficial bacteria. It also produces short-chain fatty acids, which are vital for gut lining health. Resistant starch also acts as a gentle digestive cleanser. It helps promote regularity and can contribute to a feeling of lightness. Furthermore, resistant starch helps balance blood sugar levels. This adds another layer of benefit for both gut and metabolic health. So, whether ripe or slightly green, bananas offer valuable support for your internal ecosystem. They are a simple way to nourish your gut microbiome. Making bananas a regular part of your diet can contribute to smoother digestion. It helps ensure your gut is functioning optimally. It might seem counterintuitive given their sweetness, but bananas can actually help manage blood sugar levels. This is particularly true when consumed mindfully. Bananas have a low to medium glycemic index, or GI. The GI measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a lower GI cause a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar. This avoids the sharp spikes and subsequent crashes associated with high GI foods. The fiber content in bananas contributes to this effect. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Pairing a banana with a source of protein or healthy fat can further stabilize blood sugar. Think banana slices with a spoonful of peanut butter or a handful of nuts. This combination creates a balanced snack. It provides sustained energy without causing a rapid surge in glucose. This makes bananas a perfect snack choice for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. They help prevent those mid-afternoon slumps. For individuals managing prediabetes or insulin resistance, incorporating bananas can be beneficial. They offer sweetness without the dramatic blood sugar impact of refined sugars. Of course, portion size and overall diet matter, but a single banana can be a smart addition to a blood sugar conscious eating plan. It's another example of how this simple fruit offers sophisticated health advantages. It helps keep your internal energy system running smoothly. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? A banana before bed might be a surprisingly effective natural sleep aid. We mentioned tryptophan earlier for mood. This same amino acid is also a precursor to melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone that regulates your body's sleep-wake cycle. It signals to your brain when it's time to rest. Consuming tryptophan-rich foods like bananas can help your body produce the melatonin it needs for healthy sleep patterns. It supports your natural circadian rhythm. Beyond tryptophan, bananas also contain magnesium and potassium. These minerals are known for their muscle relaxant properties. Magnesium in particular is crucial for relaxation. It helps calm the nervous system and can ease tension throughout the body. Potassium also plays a role in muscle function and relaxation. Together, these minerals help prepare your body for rest. Eating a banana in the evening can help quiet your mind and relax your muscles. This creates a more conducive state for falling asleep. It promotes deeper, more restful sleep throughout the night. You wake up feeling more refreshed and rejuvenated. Instead of reaching for artificial sleep aids, consider this natural, nutritious option. A banana could be the simple solution to improving your sleep quality. It's a delicious way to wind down and prepare your body for restorative rest. This benefit highlights the banana's holistic impact on well-being. Athletes have long relied on bananas for quick energy, but their benefits for workout performance go deeper than just simple carbs. Bananas are indeed packed with easily digestible carbohydrates. These provide readily available fuel for your muscles during exercise. They also contain essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. These are lost through sweat and are crucial for muscle function and hydration. Furthermore, bananas contain antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress that occurs during intense physical activity. Eating a banana before a workout provides sustained energy without feeling heavy. It fuels your body effectively for the task ahead. Consuming one after exercise helps replenish glycogen stores and electrolytes. This aids in recovery and prepares you for your next session. Studies have even shown that bananas can be as effective as commercial sports drinks for fueling endurance exercise. But they come without the added sugars, artificial flavors, and chemicals. The potassium content is particularly helpful. It plays a key role in preventing muscle cramps, a common issue during or after exercise. Potassium also helps reduce exercise-induced muscle soreness. It supports the repair and recovery process. So, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga, a banana is nature's perfect performance enhancer. It's a clean, effective fuel source. It's a simple, affordable way to optimize your body's ability to perform and recover. This makes the banana a true athlete's friend. Protecting your heart is vital, and bananas offer significant support for cardiovascular health. Their key contribution lies in their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. It helps regulate the balance of fluids in your body. Potassium works by counteracting the effects of sodium. A diet high in sodium and low in potassium can lead to elevated blood pressure. Increasing your potassium intake helps your body excrete excess sodium. This helps relax blood vessel walls, which lowers blood pressure. Research consistently links a diet rich in potassium to a reduced risk of stroke and heart disease. It's a powerful protective nutrient. Unfortunately, most people in Western diets don't consume enough potassium. Adding potassium-rich foods is crucial for heart health. Adding just 1 or 2 bananas to your daily diet is a simple, delicious step. It can make a significant difference in boosting your potassium intake. This small dietary change can provide a big payoff for your heart over time. It's an easy way to invest in your long-term cardiovascular well-being. The fiber in bananas also contributes to heart health by helping to manage cholesterol levels. It's a multifaceted benefit. Embracing bananas is a tasty and effective strategy for supporting a strong, healthy heart. It's a cornerstone of a heart-healthy diet. The benefits of bananas aren't just internal. They can also contribute to healthy, glowing skin. This is thanks to their nutrient profile. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant is crucial for skin health. Vitamin C helps protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. These unstable molecules can contribute to premature aging. Bananas also contain manganese. This mineral is essential for the production of collagen. Collagen is the protein that provides structure and elasticity to your skin. Adequate collagen keeps skin firm and youthful looking. Consuming bananas provides your body with the building blocks it needs for healthy collagen synthesis. This contributes to smoother, more resilient skin. Beyond eating them, the banana peel itself has traditional uses for skincare. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Some people use the inside of a banana peel as a natural remedy for various skin issues. This includes soothing acne breakouts. It can also help calm the itch and redness from bug bites. The cooling effect provides immediate relief. For dry skin, gently rubbing the inside of the peel on affected areas can provide moisture and nutrients. It's a simple, natural moisturizer. While scientific evidence is limited for topical use, many people swear by these traditional remedies. It's worth trying if you're looking for natural skin support. So, enjoy bananas for their internal benefits and consider exploring the potential of the peel for external skin health. It's a fruit that truly benefits you inside and out. We've uncovered 7 truly unexpected advantages of this common fruit. Let's quickly recap the power of the banana. It's a natural mood booster thanks to tryptophan and vitamin B6. It supports a healthy gut with prebiotics and resistant starch. Bananas help regulate blood sugar due to their fiber and moderate GI. They can improve sleep quality with tryptophan, magnesium, and potassium. They enhance workout performance, providing clean energy and electrolytes. They support heart health by helping manage blood pressure. And they promote healthy skin with vitamin C and manganese. That's a lot of power packed into one fruit. Here's a bonus tip. For a healthy treat, freeze ripe banana slices. Then blend them in a food processor or high-powered blender until smooth and creamy. This creates a delicious dairy-free dessert often called nice cream. It's a fantastic, healthy alternative to traditional ice cream. It satisfies your sweet tooth while still providing all the nutritional benefits of bananas. Give it a try. So the next time you see a banana, remember it's far more than just a simple snack. It's a nutritional powerhouse with surprising benefits for your mood, gut, blood sugar, sleep, performance, heart, and skin. It's a simple, affordable, and delicious superfood choice that can significantly contribute to your overall health and well-being. Don't underestimate the power of the peel. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. It helps us know we're providing valuable content. Share this video with a friend or family member who could benefit from learning about these advantages. Spread the word about the amazing banana. And most importantly, subscribe to Heal Tech for more health tips, nutritional insights, and wellness strategies delivered weekly. Join our community dedicated to living healthier lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.